Before starting, let's check how much chicken can be cooked in this handi. Because unlike a kadhai where you can stuff the chicken up to the brim and stir constantly, in handi you need to give space to the chicken to cook. We have taken 1 kg chicken, and with the onions and spices, there will be still 30% vacant space remaining in the handi for the chicken to cook and the gravy to boil. Therefore, it's good to go. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Add salt to taste. Since the chicken will be slow cooked in handi, we have to keep few things in mind which are different from cooking a kadhai chicken. We will point out those time to time. Otherwise, from ingredients point of view, there is not much difference between a kadhai chicken and handi chicken. Let's assemble the spices. 1 big size darchini, 4 elaichi, 3 dried chili, 3 bay leaves, 2 badi elaichi, some javitri, 1 tablespoon of dhania, 1 tablespoon of jeera and 8 to 10 black pepper. Time to roast them for a minute. Roasting will enhance the essence of the spices to a great extent. Now grate it into a fine mixture. For the marination, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric into the chicken, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 200 ml of yogurt and the roasted masala mix. Now we will mix all the ingredients nicely and marinate. Before making this video, we have cooked this dish many times. The main disadvantage of cooking a silk handi over a gas oven is that you don't know what's going in there. Is the chicken even cooked? How much water has it released? Has the bottom already started to burn? For this, it's very important to get an idea of both marination time and cooking time. Based on our experience, if you marinate the chicken for overnight 12 hours, it will take 40 minutes to cook. As the marination time gets decreased, the cooking time is increased. After around 75 minutes, the stuff at the bottom of the handi starts getting burnt. So you don't want to cook it for so long. Here we are marinating for 8 hours and will cook for around 50 minutes.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विद अस एंड वाचिंग एंड लाइकिंग आवर वीडियोस।
और हमारे चैनल को आपने अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जरूर उसको सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और वीडियोस को भी शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू। Take 3 onions and chop them as fine as you can. 3 green chilies, slit them, and 2 whole garlic. Grate 12 to 15 cashew nuts in a fine paste. So finally we have the marinated chicken, chopped onions, cashew paste, chilies, whole garlic and salt. We have added 150 ml of mustard oil and kept our handi ready on flame to add the chicken. On adding the salt and onions on the chicken, the onions will immediately start releasing water. So add the chicken into the handi immediately after mixing with salt. Since this preparation will be done without any additional water, we will utilize only the water extracted from the onions. That's why we have kept our handi on flame before doing this mixture. Give it a mix for 1 minute on high flame. Now minimize the flame and seal it up for 50 minutes. Some handis have an air passage on its middle of the cover. If not, then try this type of makeshift arrangement for the pressure to release. So after 50 minutes, let's see the final outcome. Look at it, the onions have released so much water. So our trick of mixing the onions with salt just before cooking has worked. Also, all the onions have dissolved completely, which made the gravy thick. You can dry out the gravy for further 1 or 2 minutes if you want. Final step. Since we don't have the option of chulha in our home kitchen, so we are infusing some additional smoky flavor into it. Although the handi has already marked its earthen flavor into the chicken, an additional smoky essence would be great. So friends, if you love this recipe, please press our logo on your screen to subscribe our channel. Like and share this recipe with family and friends. Do comment on the comment box and also press the bell icon to get instant notifications of our future recipes. Thank you.